Connecting an Android Auto-compatible phone to the display audio lets you enjoy many of the smartphone's functions through the display audio touchscreen without having to touch the phone. Before connecting a compatible smartphone, you'll need to download the Android Auto app from Google Play to the phone. With the vehicle parked, plug the Android phone's USB connector into the USB smartphone audio interface under the shift controls. When you first use Android Auto, a consent screen will appear before enabling. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, select either Enable Once or Always Enable on the display audio. A tutorial will appear on the display. Complete the tutorial before driving and using Android Auto. Now, an Android Auto icon will appear on the display audio home screen. Touch the icon to go to Android Auto. To use Android Auto on your phone screen, you'll need an Android phone running 5.0 Lollipop or higher and the Android Auto app. The easiest way to use the apps on the smartphone is through Talk to Google, the app's voice recognition feature. To engage it, press and hold the Talk button on the steering wheel until the system responds. Talk to Google will now remain engaged until you press the Talk button again. You can use Talk to Google to make and receive phone calls, have the system read emails and text messages and respond to them, get directions via Google Maps, and engage Google Play Music and Google Now functions.